Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the GPU physically and electrically ready. First, seat the card fully in the PCIe slot and plug all 6/8-pin connectors. Loose contact causes throttling. Next, make sure your PSU can supply at least 2 times the GPU TDP on stable 12V rails because insufficiency drops clocks. Once done, install vendor drivers and firmware. Disable fast boot so the OS can initialize the card correctly. This avoids missed device initialization that prevents full utilization. Now you tune the software stack so the GPU actually reaches 100%. Enable a high-performance power plan and disable PCIe power state down. Otherwise, the bus will cut throughput. Install CUDA or OpenCL runtimes and confirm the device is visible with LSBCI or Device Manager, because unseen devices can't work. Then, configure your workload. Increase batch sizes, set process affinity to GPU threads, and raise driver power limits where safe. These choices let kernels saturate SMs and memory bandwidth for full utilization. Finish by proving stability and locking in your settings. Run a stress test while monitoring temperatures, clocks, and power draw. You want sustained high utilization without thermal throttling. If temps rise, set an aggressive fan curve, consider mild undervolt to reduce power draw, or a conservative overclock if cooling allows. These adjustments increase sustained performance. Finally, save the power and driver profile to auto-load at boot. Keep backups of working BIOS and drivers. And if things go wrong, one key tip: revert to default voltages and drivers first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.